Otu-Onye na-asị nọ. Otu-Onye na-asị unu abịago. 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 Otu-Onye na-asị nọ. Otu-Onye na-asị unu abịago.
These people have tried me. I just went to Nigeria just for a short time. Hey! That's Otu-Onye and Nandone. I'm going to the Henka. I'm going to Otu-Onye. I'm going to go to
Are you okay?
My brother, okay, I drop Ochacha, even I may be well. I am Nigeria.
We have been watching from a distance.
So, one day, Igbo.
Of course, I'm only one more Otu-Onye, but you can call me Onye at the same time.
No, you go to one.
In receiver.
Now you do go on and you know. You buy a battery and don't have a buffer. But I have a doctor. If you go to doctor.
In fact, I am actually on my way. I got for the doctor. Doctor, me and those men. Training you are the thing. I told them, let them die. Or more than.
You have to be very careful with this your mess because these white people, they cannot handle this your mess.
Yeah, really. You have to go to the doctor.
Did you eat pork kebab?
It will be more better than if I eat small kebab because now I start to see that
the next round. The next round is coming.
The Nigerian
Take care,
Are you okay?
Yes, you in Apuala.
I was just asking because you don't look okay.
When you are going to look okay, we look okay. How do you think you can help me in this condition now? Ofu da nuru kono na enwuchisira anya oje na nyonsi una anwuse nonsense hey na hey ogwo nwachukwu lapụtara ego muvu nse nwachukwu bụ onye ma ezigbo nne nwachukwu sị m ka ejerie mama put penny wise pan foolish hey ndị egbu oge nke kachacha nke bụ otu o si apụ ahụ a na-eshi hey ahụ nyụrụ ndị ọcha fenti ya would have well. They have never seen anything. Otu-Onye. But the baby over there, all the police have broken and before I remember my own son. Hey, they were getting me what you. Oh, Nina, the market going on me is good news. You're going to have the motor. Hey, this is not as also I can now use some Ananika. I tell you, what to they do now. Hey, you better be bueno. Onye jiri gị kwuo hey eberebe egbuo nna nnọọ ekenekwa m ije geela n'ọnata maka na aka m na-eche gị isi chabere m ife asị gị zie m eberebe egbuo ọbịa anyị eme dị nwụzi ebe anyị ka anyị onye ndị ọcha n'ime ọbịa ọ nwere onye na-egbuo Nigeria na-egbuo ọkwa Otu-Onye na-egbuo na mama put egbuo mama put na-egbuo onye mere m ife ahụ onye bụ ọkwụ nkụnụ na anwa Otu-Onye hey, oh no, boy. I bet isi ka ibe kwa ọzọ emezoghị na n'ime afọ asabụona biko iru ka izu were ụfa n'ụlọ gwafana ife afa mere ma ọ ya adịrọ ọfa mma ọnwụkwụ ife a ga-enye gị ka ị wetara m iwe wetara m ka m wee gwaba ya bụ afọ na efukwara m n'obodo a amakwa m otu m ga-esi ananwụ Otu-Onye mmadụ jee Naijiria ka o jee rie oriri nwere aṅụrị na-anwa m ọnwụkwa na mmadụ ka m na-adị were naba mana nsogbu adịrọ ofe agba ụka ezigbo ofe agbago ụka ọ gịnị mere ife a chi chọrọ iji efife juo mana aga m ana dị iche aga m ana efi n'anya otu na-atagbu onwe ya n'afọ eberebe egbuola afọ m amazi nke a na-aya ọ bụ isi ife nri ka m na-anụ ọ bụ ahụ mmiri na-eshi ọ bụ afọ na-asa m na-eshi efuwela m Otu-Onye na-anyụsi nso n'ọfịa
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Since yesterday I have stomach problems. Can I see the doctor?
Yes, you can.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, just a moment. I'll give you a card. And what's your name?
I'm Tara.
Okay. Okay, thank you. You can have a seat.
Nurse,
Good afternoon,
please.
sir.
Good afternoon. There's nothing good about the afternoon at the moment. Please, I want to see the doctor.
But sir, I'll first register your name and you have a seat.
Which seat? I am saying it is emergency. I want to see the doctor, please.
And what is your name?
Otu-Onye.
Sorry, sir.
Ask him. What do you mean, sorry, sir?
Mr. Man, you cannot just walk in here and try to force yourself inside. It is not my turn.
It is emergency.
What do you mean by emergency?
You don't know what is emergency?
You have been waiting.
Wait for the accidental discharge.
You allow that. Absolutely.
No, wait. Now.
It's unacceptable. We can't.
I say it's emergency.
No.
Somebody is dying.
No.
And you are saying it's not unacceptable.
No.
Nobody will see the acceptation. I don't know.
We've been waiting.
What does see?
Otu what?
Otu-Onye.
I don't get that, sir. I'm sorry. Can you spell that for me?
Which spell?
I can't spell that. Jeez. What is that?
It is accidental.
No, we don't accept
It is
that.
accidental discharge.
What do you mean by
I said I want to see the doctor. It's
You can use the restroom. This is unbelievable.
I'm going directly to the.
This is so unbelievable. We don't accept that here.
Oh my God. What the hell is wrong with this man? You just got everywhere polluted. Why?
Because there is a problem inside the stomach. I have been saying, throw it from the other place, the other angle to the other, and you are asking me what is the problem. Now you are seeing the problem.
This man is drunk. He's drunk, man.
Who is drunk? Do I look like a drunkard?
You are drunk.
I'm not drunk. I say somebody is dying and telling me that I'm drunk. Is it how you patronize people in your... Please, can I go now to see the doctor?
You cannot go now, sir. You have to wait. You have polluted the whole environment. It is unacceptable here. We don't accept that.
I want to see the doctor.
You have to wait, sir.
Nurse, what is going on here?
Doctor, please.
Sir, it is this Mr. Otu-Onye. I don't know what his name is.
What can I do for you? What is wrong?
Doctor, there is a big problem.
What is it?
It's in Nigeria. Hey, out in the
no, just calm down. Okay. Calm down. Tell me what your problem is.
Like,
how can I help you? What did they give you?
It's like they have given me poison.
Poison? Poison. What is that your name?
Otu-Onye anaso unabiana.
Otu-Onye
anaso unabiana. Okay. Doctor hapu afa.
In that case, come with me to the office. Come with me.
Thank you very much.
So, Mr.
Otu-Onye anaso unabiana.
Mr. Otu-Onye. Please, which one is your first name or which one is your family name?
Doctor, it doesn't matter which one is the first and which one is the second now. The problem is that the matter is what is exactly happening now.
The result is here. And the result says that you have an acute diarrhea and a little bit of malaria, which is about to break out.
Ha! Doctor, so acute malaria is the what is
acute diarrhea.
So acute diarrhea.
Yeah.
It has been what is causing this problem for a long time.
Yeah.
And I was thinking that this in there. I was thinking that I've given me poison.
No, it's not poison. Yeah, but diarrhea can be also dangerous like poison. It can also kill you like poison. Yeah. Yes.
So you are trying to tell me now that it can kill?
Yeah, because you are dehydrating. You know. You have to drink a lot of water.
Doctor, how is it possible I can get this? Where does it come from?
Well, diarrhea can come from a contaminated food, a food that is not hygienically prepared, or from unclean water. So you have to check where have you been the last days?
Doctor, they can say, I told you from the beginning, I just returned from Nigeria. You know, the problem I have is that my money got squandered. I don't have enough money anymore. So in the process, this Buhari giving change to people and the money is not coming out because the Buhari still have the money and they have the change. So I have to use the little I have.
But how can you come from Europe to Africa and you cannot go to a decent restaurant to eat a clean food?
When your money is finished, you don't have any choice. You eat anything.
Yeah, don't you know that if you have lived in Europe for a long time, your immune system will change just like Europeans? You should be careful what you eat.
Doctor, I won't have my idea now. Nobody told me, so I didn't have idea of it. I just went there, you know.
Yeah, you're trying to save. You're trying to save money, but now you're about to spend much more to cure yourself. They say prevention is better than cure.
Oh, you okay now? This is English spoken. So, but no problem. The problem now, doctor, and the solution to this matter. Well, I have to write you some tablets, some antibiotics, which you have to take.
Okay.
Okay. So this one is the only one I have here. It's called Mefenam. It's an antibiotic.
Afamefuna. Okay.
It's not Afamefuna. It's Mefenam.
Also Mefenam.
Mefenam.
Okay.
You take it 2 times in a day, one in the morning and one in the evening. This is 500 milligram.
Okay.
And while taking it, you drink a lot of water. It's very, very, very important. And the remaining 2 is on this receipt. You have to go to the nearest chemist and you give it to them and they will give you the tablets. One is clarithromycin. Clarithromycin. And you take one in the morning and one in the evening. And the last one is Loperamide. It's for the diarrhea. Loperamide.
Doctor, let me ask you a question, because this dramatic is or grammar, I don't know what you're speaking, is too parable. Can I give them this paper for them to have to?
I've written it down with my stamp on it. Just show it to the chemist, and he will give you the tablet. And make sure you come back on Thursday for your checkup.
So
okay,
what you are trying to explain to me now that if I drink this tablet, all diseases.
Yeah, of course, because you're lucky you catch it up on time. So you may leave now, Mr.
Otu-Onye. Doctor, leave this name now. You have been trying to call this and see how many hours I enter here now.
It's all right. So you can leave now.
They have tried.
No, don't worry. Don't worry.
Ow.
Oh my God, what is that? What is that?
Oh my God. This is the part of accidental discharge I have been telling you.
Please.
Doctor, let me start going. Don't worry. You will not understand.
Please go. Please. Oh my God.
Doctor, you will not understand. When you came into some certain situations like the way I am now.
Please. This is Spani where I spam foolish. Just to save some little money now, I have cost myself a pain. Hey! Oh, Nigeria. We're going to buy a new one is. Kora pay the quaka, the flat naturally if you were but hey! So, what do I can't even know what you are taboo when I go on your mark of Qualano? Oh, yeah, I can't go for the money to check before. Mokamondega, I'm walking one even different to the fit.
Otu-Onye